How to recognize music with Google Music Search. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open your device and scroll down your notification bar from the top. Here, if you don't see Music Search, Google Search, or Song Search, click on the pencil icon at the bottom right. Here at the bottom, you will find Song Search. Simply hold on and drag it upwards. After you have done that, you can click on Search Song option at the top and it will start listening. You can play music or hum as well. After it recognizes the music, it will directly link you to the music. And this is how to recognize music with Google Music Search. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.